Welcome to the J&G Auto Wrecking test video of mrgm169. 1994 GMC Sierra 1500 turbo diesel. Rare bird indeed. She's leaking some. Oh, that's water. Yeah, involved in a collision up here with we don't know what. Very good running 6.5 under the hood. I guess I could just go ahead. Hey Lee, you might want to take yourself a non-smoking smoke break because this thing's about to get diesely.
You want to pop the hood and I'll throw a box on it?
Andy here's gonna pop, or well, so many Christmas, Batman, I don't know how to talk. Andy's gonna put a jump box on her here. We fixed the previous owner's SHI poo-poo wiring. Got this bad boy running. Hey, pro tip 6.5 owners, if you put the wrong gas cap or fuel cap on this thing, it won't vent and it won't run. Gotta love turbo diesels. But 183,000 miles on this girl. We're gonna go ahead and fire it up here. Let the old glow plugs warm up. Turbo diesel doing turbo diesel things. Almost. There she goes. Nice running 6.5 here. As oil, as you guys can see. Will be sold complete with the turbocharger. You'll walk around to the rest of the truck while this warms up. It's got an OEM diesel front bumper on it. Man, that bad boy's cool. Nice set of Wrangler all tracks. The interior cleaned up pretty well. This is a power window truck. Very hard to find door panels. Seat's a little bit but it's very usable. I'd run it in my truck. Man, look at that headliner. Poor old girl. 410 gears. 373s in the front and rear, complete rear axle, front differential assembly. I wonder if it'll do a diesel burnout.
Well, we'll wait and find out.
Pop that door for me, Andy. We're gonna make bad decisions. Oh yeah.
Gotta make it work.
All right, we're gonna step inside here, test out some parts, and I guess see what kind of power a 6.5 makes. See if it's got a posi. It's science. Okay, power windows do work. That side is busted out. Climate control is working. Windshield wipers do windshield wiper things. Let's test out the transmission. We got reverse. We got drive. Let's see if we got burnout. Girl still gets it done. She stuck me in the truck. She didn't spin them too fast. It was mostly cold.
No. I mean, it's got quite a bit of tread.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, that's sticky.
Hey, that 6.5 makes some power, guys. You've seen it here. Look at that. That's the first time I've seen the barn so dark in here. Guys, that is going to wrap it up for mrgm169, our 1994 6.5 turbo diesel truck. If you guys are looking for any of the parts off of this girl, that tilt column, any of the hard to find power window stuff. I'll leave a link in the description down below to our website, www.jnjautoricking.com, where you guys can check out our entire inventory online 24/7. I don't got a whole lot else to say, guys. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.